Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to crochet for absolute beginners. First of all, we'll be using our crochet hook, darning needles, stitch markers, and a ball of yarn. I'll be using this acrylic yarn and I'll be doubling the strand. Let's get right into it. So I doubled the strand. First of all, we'll learn how to hold our yarn. So you open your fingers like this. You pass the yarn through this finger, in between these two fingers. Then look at it. You bring it across here. Okay? Then use these two fingers to hold the yarn. Okay? Can you see it? It's secured. Then I'm using a 4mm crochet hook to work. So you hold your hand this way. I am a knife holder, so this is how I hold my yarn and my hook. So how to make a slip knot? Do like this. This is how I make my slip knot. Then you bring it out through. You have made a slip knot. And then you carry your hook and pass it through this loop. So now we'll be learning how to make chains. Then gradually we'll learn other stitches, the basic stitches. Learn the basic crochet stitches you need to know. So let's get right into it. So to make a chain, you have one loop on your hook. You pass your hook through under this yarn. You can see it, right? You bring it. Okay, let's do the same thing. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 chains, 6 chains, 7 chains, 8 chains. So we call these chains. Chains are used to start any project, any crochet project. You must use chains. So these are my chains. So now let's make single crochet stitches. Okay, let's make more chains. Can you see it? As a crocheter, you must learn how to maintain a specific tension. So we've made chains. To make a single crochet, you skip the first chain, this one, then you insert your hook into this loop, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull up 2 loops. Let's make that again. Insert your hook into this chain space, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, pull up the 2 loops. Okay, let me do it one more time. Insert your hook into that chain space, pull up a loop. You have pulled up 2 loops, then yarn over, pull up the 2 loops. So we'll do this until we get to the end. I'll meet you right. So I'm on the last chain. Insert our loop, pull up 2 loops, and yarn over, pull up 2 loops. Now to turn, chain 1. You know how to make a chain already. Turn your work, turn your work, insert your hook into this space. See, you can see spaces here, right? So into this first space, okay, then pull up your hook. You can see it, you'll be working the same thing throughout the end. Do the same thing until you get to the end. I'll meet you at the end. I have 1 stitch left. If you want a very straight, your edges to be very straight, you make sure you don't miss any stitch, okay? So you have 1 stitch left here. You insert your hook into it. Can you see it? It's like V, okay? Then pull up a loop. You have 2 loops, then you pull up 2 loops. Chain 1. This is what you keep doing until you get to your desired length. For now, we'll just make a swatch. So I'll